It's a tough world, and it's getting tougher. First responders and public safety personnel need a radio that can take the knocks and just keep going. Tait Radio Communications is a leading manufacturer of digital P25 solutions and has been designing radios for police and public safety for 40 years. Tait has built an enviable reputation for making reliable and durable radios. Radios that have earned the right to be called Tait Tough. Police, fire, and other government agency officials count on their radios to keep the public and themselves safe. They need to trust their radio to work in the face of the harshest conditions. After all, lives may be at stake. To earn the right to be Tait Tough, a radio has to be designed with reliability and durability in mind. Tait applies the latest manufacturing techniques and research into plastics, rubber, and other materials. Tough materials, tough seals, tough controls. Yes, a Tait radio needs to be superbly built, but it's tough on the inside too. Thermal monitoring, quality components, exceptional assembly. Because Tait radios are smart and tough, there's no trade-off with performance. That's why when the going gets tough, the tough get Tait. Because Tait manufactures a whole range of P25 mobiles, portables, and network infrastructure equipment, it applies this quality engineering ethos across an entire digital solution. Introducing the TP9100 Series P25 radio from Tait. It's smart, and it's also very, very tough. It needs to be. Lives are on the line. The TP9100 is put through a punishing testing regime at an internationally recognized independent testing facility. Only then can this radio be given the green light and earn that small blue circle on its front. Most P25 radios are tested to a raft of international independent standards. But Tait tests beyond these standards. Tait radios are put through a number of tests that simulate and amplify real-world situations and use. After being baked, frozen, shaken, and even exposed to radiation, the TP9100 is still working and ready to communicate. All P25 radios are dropped onto a wooden floor from a height of 4 feet. That's the industry standard test. But Tait goes further. The TP9100 is dropped from half as high again and onto concrete, over and over again, 26 times at different angles. After all, we know that despite the best will in the world, radio users will drop their radios and will expect them to work afterwards. So Tait drops them first with no damage, no battery dislodge, no reset. After all this abuse, it's most likely to spring a leak, right? Wrong. Remember, this is a Tait portable radio. The same radio still communicates with perfect digital clarity.
Audio check, 1, 2, 3.
Audio check, 1, 2, 3.
Now all this P25 radio needs is some high-quality Tait batteries and some high-performance accessories. Then it's ready for the real action. Tait P25 radios exceed many of the tests set down as industry standard, and many more that give Tait the confidence to say, when their radios are tough, they mean tough.